See that? We're taking this panel out in the back. We'll show you. Yep, panel right there. We're taking that puppy out with tools and pull. Start with that. Put it in a safe place. Pull. Pull. Come on, baby. Or get something to pull it with. Such as this. That makes life easier. Now, do we keep pulling? Yes, we keep pulling. Why not? One. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. This is probably overlapped like most of them are. So let's keep pulling. What I love so far is you don't need much tools. Except for those. So this thing popped right out. So what you do is grab like this. You see? There's your tools. And the rest, just continue to pull. See? I took the door off just to see what was going on. You see? Just keep pulling. And it falls on your head. Did you happen to hear that? That was my head. There's the rest of it. Look at this. All plastic. I actually think the door itself is plastic too. Found the other piece. On the floor. You see? Pretty sure this door is plastic. That's fiberglass. So, there you have it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.